the shower head that we just got. You just pop it on there. Let me tell you, this shower head is amazing. The pressure that it comes out is just like what it is. This right here, we got it at TJ Maxx, as you see, for $12.99. This thing is off the hook. Like, oh my God, you just take it out, place it back in. It's exactly what it says, Rainfall shower head. You guys have to try this out. It's the best. It's awesome. Let's see. I'll turn it on. Excuse my bathtub. It's just crazy. Oh my gosh. This thing, the pressure on it and all. Exactly what it says. Waterfall. I love it. It's really good. We all love it in this house.